and welcome to our ryokan. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation, but we're currently in Hakone and I've been waiting for this day for like 8 or 9 days but now, and we're finally here. This is a traditional Japanese suite called Ryokan, and we are currently in this, I don't know, we're just putting our luggage here. Right here is where all our pillows, blankets, so when it's time for bed, just set this up. And here I will show you our living room. It's a very traditional Japanese style where you're having tea and breakfast, dinner here, and all the flooring is in the traditional tatami. This is also the area where we'll be sleeping. We have a TV here, a safe, a mini fridge, a water dispenser for tea, and come on in. And if you can hear the background, that is the waterfalls right in our backyard. And we are dressed in traditional yukata, which is already super comfortable if you just let yourself be free. And here is the toilet. Nothing too fancy there. This is like our sitting area where we'll enjoy the view, but right now it's extremely dark. It gets dark here around 5 p.m. so, and we just checked in, it's already dark. This is like the sitting area where you can enjoy tea. And here we have a sink. The sink is a bit far from the toilet, which is kind of weird, but that's okay. The sink is here. And we have a special treat where we booked a private open air onsen. So you can see this is hot spring right here, our hot spring bath. And this is outdoors, so you can open up the blinds here and you can have a view of the outside, which I am super excited about. Tomorrow morning, this is the first place I'm gonna be. Yeah! So this place is definitely not on the cheap side. This is our one night luxury night. I just got charged around $420 Canadian for one night to stay here because our private onsen, but this does include dinner and breakfast. So dinner is in about half an hour. From what I know about Japanese traditional cuisine, it's very, very delicious, and there are like 10 courses and everything just looks so pretty and beautiful. But right now I'm gonna have some tea. Here you go.
The next morning.